Look, taking the lead, we don't follow. We need it now, not tomorrow. Don't care what they say, not changing the pace. Working too hard to be last in the race. So much time in the day, and it ain't none to waste. Working this hard to be one of the greats. Whatever it takes, put that on the plate. Life is a gamble, we raising the stakes. Moving the bar up so high. Been on our grind for life. Bringing the light, you just so bright. We shining, platinum sound cool, but we tryna reach diamond. Hard work pays off, it's perfect timing. Changing the world with this rhyming, it's priceless. We got the nicest by putting the time in. Can't be the greatest, you're not even trying. What now? We on the chase to the sundown. We on the chase to the sun up. What's up? Leading the line when we run up. Chasing, chasing, chasing. Every day we chasing, chasing, chasing. No time to be wasted.
The best use of life is love. And the best expression of love is time. May kasabihan, the best use of life is love. Pag walang pag-ibig, is useless.
Today, we begin our lives together. I promise before our families and our friends to be your faithful husband. I choose to live with you as your lover, your companion, and your friend. Loving you when life is peaceful and when it's painful, during our success and during our failures. I support your strength and accept your weakness. I will honor your goals and dreams, trying always to encourage your fulfillment. I will strive to be honest and open with you, sharing my thoughts and my life with you. I promise to love and cherish you from this day forward.
Panginoon, ang nais ko, kagandahan mo ay pagmasdan.
This life is indeed surprising. There are many times that I questioned myself if our relationship will work. From Davao to Pampanga, how crazy was that? But here we are, proving that LDR wins.
Matatagpuan sa iyong laman.
Kakilala po kami ni Kim sa Manila po when we take our review for the upcoming board exams.
Classmate ko siya, nauna silang pumasok sa review center. Parang mga 1 month silang ahead sa amin.
Sabay po kami mag-study, ganun. Tapos, libot-libot na lang kahit saan. From there, nagkakaintindihan din po kami. Tapos, yun. Hanggang ngayon, ito na po yung ending. Bagong chapter na naman po ng buhay pa natin.
Mananatili sa iyong lilim at
sa group nila, siya po yung una kong napansin din po. Challenging kasi, ito, mataray. Baka subukan nating pakalmahin.
At first talaga, hindi ko talaga siya gusto. Malayo siya sa yung impression ko ng, ito yung magugustuhan ko, yung ganon. Pero, sa katagalan, dahil sa pinakita niyang pagtitsaga, lalo na yung pagiging patient niya sa akin. Tsaka sa distance na meron kami.
Alan mo ay kalinga at sandigan ko.
Good luck and chill ka lang matatapos dito. Huwag ka lang tamaan.
Basta wala siyang Jordans pag hindi niya ginalingan mamaya.
Matatagpuan sa iyong laman. Mananatili sa iyong hiling nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili
As I give my hand to hold, so I give you my life to keep. I am also happy to be able to tell you and the world that I do, I will, and I always will.
Lamang iniaalay, O Panginoon, ang puso ko sa'yo magpakailan.
I promise that I will love you and still choose you. When life is hard, when everything has become so tiring, and nothing else seems so right, I would still choose you. So I promise this day forward, apart from God, you will be on top of my priorities.
Kailanman mananatili sa iyong hiling at sasambahin ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong hiling nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong hiling at sasambahin